Now turn up.
What's up, gorgeous people? This is Amazon's DIY and other stuff. I'm Amber, and in this video, I have my November Kal-Elle Fandom monthly subscription. Guys, I love this subscription. It was on hold for a short time. They managed to revamp it, and I got my most recent bag last month. So now we have the November bag, but for some reason, I have two. Not sure what's going on there. Not sure if they're sending me November and December, or if they accidentally sent me the same bag twice. So we're going to have to see what's going on there, and then that's going to determine whether or not I have the giveaway in this video. So without further ado, let's jump into this thing. Okay guys, so as I said in my intro, I have two bags. Now I'm not sure if they're identical bags. All I did was cut the tops of the bags. I didn't look in them or anything. I don't even know what the fandom is for this month, so I'm going to find all of that out with you guys. So if they are duplicate bags, I will give one of them away. And I'm going to need to reach out to the company because this is the second time this has happened where they sent me two identical bags. So I'm sure that it's just a mistake that they're making. I'm sure they don't intend to send me two bags. If they do, great. I'll give a bag away for you guys every single month. That's fantastic for you. But I'm pretty sure this is a mistake that was made. So I do want to make sure that I make them aware of it so that, you know, they can just make sure. Then what if I don't get a bag at all in the future? At any rate, I will reach out to them, let them know that I got two bags just so that they know. And hopefully wherever their error is, they can fix it. I mean, maybe I'm in their system twice or something along those lines. At any rate, let's go ahead and open this bag up and I'll set this one aside. So who is the fandom for this month? Let's see. Oh, Tangled. Now, I did not see this movie. Unfortunately, I just don't get to watch much of the Disney movies anymore, not like I would like. But nonetheless, I will go over this bag with you. I have no idea what anything is, so I'm definitely going to need to use the card. Oh, here's a picture of the card, by the way. Well, a picture. Here's a shot of the card. So they always have these really nice cards, and I've been saving these along with all of my postcards from the Heroes Tower and my art prints from Megan E. Risk to do this really cool thing that I'm doing in my geeky area. So nonetheless, on the back of the card, they have a description of what everything is, and I'm definitely going to have to lean on that because I don't know anything about this movie. So here's the first thing in the movie is, in the bag is a picture from Megan E. Risk, and I don't know who this character is. So you guys can scream and yell at the camera, at your phone or whatever you're watching this on all you want, but I have no idea who this is. So let's go ahead and see if they tell me in the little description here. Oh, Rapunzel. So this is Rapunzel. Oh, I should have known with the long hair. So this is a 4x6 art print by Megan E. Risk of Rapunzel. So that's the first thing in the little bag here. So let's get into the meat and potatoes of the bag. And here it is. All tissue wrapped up for me. Okay. Woo. Lots of fun stuff, guys. Okay, let's go ahead and start with this little baggie of goodies right here. Love that it's purple. Purple is indeed my favorite color. So, like I said, guys, I'm not going to know any of these characters. Probably not. Well, this is probably a Rapunzel necklace. Very pretty, you guys. Hopefully you guys are going to get that. I hate it when I try to show you guys this stuff and you can't see it because of the glare, but hopefully you guys are going to get a good shot of that necklace. It's very pretty. Okay, what's the next thing in here? I'll take this one out of the little bag. Oh, what does it say? Oh my goodness. I might need glasses for this. Go live your dream. Guys, that was so tiny. I'm going to try to zoom in on that so you can see what I was trying to read. I don't know if you guys are going to see it or not, but it's really super cute. But boy, is it tiny print. Love the little bracelet. It's got... This is, what is this called? Some type of cording. Parachute cording. It's like a parachute cording bracelet. So it's super cute. Definitely happy to have it. But wow, I could not read that at all. But the glare from the lights is not helping me either. I'm quite sure of that. So, but that's okay. Let's go ahead and take a look at these super cute earrings. These are really cute. I'm just going to grab one. They have a sun on them. Okay. Let me just try to zoom in to where you guys can hopefully see the earring. But it's very, very pretty. It has a sun on it, I believe is what that's supposed to be. So I'll definitely wear those for sure. Let me go ahead and put these back in the little bag here so I don't lose them. We'll set that stuff aside. So now we have a pin here. Best day ever. Excuse me, guys. So sorry, but I could feel that coming and I was trying to not have that happen, but it did. Okay, anyways, we have a pin here. Super pretty. Look at that. Best day ever. That's really cute. And I was not a pin person until this subscription. I just love pins and stuff now. they've definitely converted me on a lot of things. These are really cute. Are these, what are these? Little hair clips. I thought so, but I wasn't sure. So cute, you guys. Look at that. Super tiny little, excuse me, little flower hair clips. I'm going to actually take them off the thing and maybe you guys can see them. I don't know if that matters. Anyways, here, let me just, they open up like this. So cute. Hope you guys are seeing how cute they are. They're really, really cute. Nice, dainty little earrings. And then we have a frog. So cute. Let's open him up. This magnet is really nice. Wow, what a nice magnet. Look at that, you guys. Oh my gosh, so cute. This is a heavy duty, nice magnet. That is adorable. Oh my gosh. Let me, is the card right here? Or did I drop the card? Oh no, did I drop it? Oh no, I must have dropped the card. I wanted to see who the frog was. Oh, here it is, right here. Because I don't know. I mean, maybe you guys know. It says Pascal mascot. Or Pascal magnet mascot. Magnet. P-A-S-C-A-L magnet. So that's who that character is. Super cute. And then I also have a purple scrunchie. How cute is that? Everybody loves scrunchies. And then I have a very adorable hairbrush. Let's see what it says. It says something on the back of it here. Tangled hair, don't care. Oh, that is adorable. Look at that. That is so cute. And then it's just a regular one of those. And I actually need a new one of these. I have one that I use every day. So maybe this will be my new everyday brush. Super cute, right guys? All right. So that was everything that I got in this month's bag. This again was the Kal-Elle Fandom monthly subscription. They do a different fandom each and every single month. I'm pretty sure if you do the month to month, they do give you the option to not get a bag if you are not interested in that fandom. So I have a link in my description box for their website so that you can take a look at their subscription box. And they also have various different things for sale. So go ahead and check out their shop. They have a lot of super fun stuff that you can't find anywhere else. I believe Megan makes the stuff herself and it is totally awesome. I love it. I've shopped in there quite a bit. Okay guys, so then I have the issue of this other bag. So is this bag the same as that bag or is this a different bag? I'm going to pause for a second because I'm going to clean this mess up and then we'll find out. Okay guys, so I'm all cleaned up here. So now we have to address this extra bag. So is this the exact same bag that I just showed you? Or is this another bag that they sent to me early and they maybe just sent two bags for, you know, one for November, one for December at the same time? I don't know. Let's go ahead and have a look here. Pull out the card and it is the same, you guys. It is the same bag that I just showed you. So I'm going to give this bag away. All right, let's go ahead and go over some of the basic rules. First and foremost, YouTube is no way involved with this giveaway or has anything to do with it. This is 100% on me, and I'm giving away this item that I received in my subscription box. Number 2, you must live in the United States or have a United States postal address. This will not be open internationally. And number 3, you have to be subscribed to my channel, and you need to be publicly subscribed to my channel. I need to be able to see that you're subscribed. If I do not see that you're subscribed to my channel, you will not be able to win. I will have a full set of rules in my description box below. Please make sure that you check that out prior to entering the giveaway. So this giveaway is going to run from today all the way through December 10th, and I will be announcing the winner on December 11th. Okay, so that should give somebody enough time if they wanted to go ahead and give this away for a Christmas gift or something like that. I will get that shipped out as soon as I announce the winner and they get back to me. I will get it shipped out as soon as I possibly can so that you can hopefully, you know, use this for if you wanted to give it away for Christmas, or if you just want to gift for yourself for Christmas, you'll get it in time. That's the idea. I'm hoping that you'll get it in time. I think the post office said that as long as your packages are mailed by December 15th, you should receive them by Christmas. So fingers crossed that that is accurate. All right, guys, that's all I got for you in this video. Please make sure that you check out the Kal-Elle Fandom monthly website. I will have a link in my description box below. Until my next video, I will catch you next time. Bye! I'm Amber, and in this video, I have my November Kal-Elle Fandom Monthly. So this, boom! Nailed that intro. Try it again. What's up, gorgeous people? I knocked something off the table. Awesome! We're off to a great start. Try it again. What's up, gorgeous people? This is Amazar's DIY and other stuff. I'm Amber. I didn't like that. Why? I'm not singing. I can't sing. Try it again. What's up, gorgeous people? This is Amber's DIY and other stuff. I'm Amber, and in this video, I'm going to be... I drew a blank, and then nothing came out. So let's try it again. Okay, guys. So as I said in my... what was it? It's an intro. Try it again. Okay, guys, so I'm all cleaned up. Now I have this other bag. Let's go ahead, and I am just going to look at the card to see if it's the same. It is, I believe. Hold on, let's try it again. Okay, guys, so I have this other bag right here. That didn't go well. And number 3, of course, you have to be subscribed to my channel. If you're not publicly subscribed to my channel, you will not be able to win. And I will have all of the... Okay, let's try that again. Okay, guys, so I have everything cleaned up here. So we have the issue of this other bag. So is this bag the same bag that I just showed you? Or, okay, why can't I do this? Now, I'm not sure if they are identical. All I did was cut the tops of the bags, and then I'm going to open them with you guys. If they are identical bags, there must be, what am I trying to say?